4 free traffic sources you have probably never heard of. They have a combined reach of more than 20 million visitors every month. Let's head to the computer. Okay, so the first traffic source is called peaked.com, and it gets over 700,000 visitors a month. This is what the website looks like. It's a decentralized social media platform. It gives you true ownership, and it has a video that will show you how to get up and running. There are a wide range of communities for you to access and connect with. There is a crypto option available as well. Next up, with again 700,000 hits a month, is lemmy.world. This works in a similar way to Reddit. So the most upvoted content will float to the front page. We can upvote, downvote content, and we have a wide range of communities. So no matter what your niche is, you will probably find something relevant to you and your business. The thing with all these traffic sources, you have to add value first, build that degree of trust, and then promote. Usually it's about a 1 in 10 ratio between promotion and delivering really solid value to the communities. Let's move on to the next one. This is Titlesnet with over 200,000 visitors a month. This is the platform. Again, we can upvote and downvote content here. Again, it works in a similar way to Reddit, and there is a wide range of communities here. On the right hand side, if you scroll down here, you'll see all the different communities, all the different sub forums. Browse the full list of groups there. You're also going to get the approximate activity level of these groups as well. Let's move on. This is discuss.com. This has a mammoth 18 million visits a month. This is the website. So you will get to the social media aspect of discuss.com if you go to discuss.com/channels. Now I need to explain this a little bit because Discuss started its life as a comment system. So if you go to a blog or a website and they have a comment section, well, on a lot of websites that was Discuss, and it evolved from there, and now it's become its own fully fledged social media platform full of communities. And the right way to use these traffic sources is to be cool with people, to add value, help them out, answer their questions before you go in and promote something. And remember to click the link in the description to get the most powerful traffic method I have ever developed. It will show you how I got over 30,000 website visitors every single day for free. Click the link in the description or go to profitcopilot.com/traffic. Thank you for being here with me today. Take care and God bless.